Hey gamers, welcome to a challenge that only true gamers can complete. In this video, I'm going to play some iconic in-game sounds, and your task is to guess which game they belong to. If you're a real gamer, you'll have no trouble identifying these sounds. Are you ready to test your gaming knowledge? Listen carefully as I play the sound and try to guess the name of the game they come from.
Finish him!
Think you have what it takes to get them all right? Drop your answers in the comments below. Let's see how many of you are true gaming experts.